Hi guys, it's about 10 in the evening and I was watching some planning videos and then I thought, yes, that's it, I will do that. So what you're seeing now is me having an idea for more clearness and to ensure that I will do what I plan. Just watch me doing this. So I will put my camera here in this spot. So that I can use the planner. Well, I don't need this part, it's just notes. I'll use this part and I will use first of all this erasable pen, because I'm not 100% sure how to do it, but I need my task cards, which I have in a binder. Let me show you where I'm looking for them. They must be here somewhere. Okay, not there. It's here. Okay. So I have two parts of my system. One is my daily and weekly and monthly and yearly tasks, and also some one-off tasks. And then I have the project lists with the projects I want to do and all the steps I have to do. So this is 365 steps. This is 5 different topics, namely hiking guide, books, poems, planning, and sugar-free happy life. This is living in a car with the topics nomad in Europe, conclusion after 4 years of living in a van, hygiene when living in a car, van, no, car, I live in a car, and Q&A. Where is the fourth? It's here. Those are the bilingual videos on Polyglot Pocket Love It, and there are 5 series, 1000 verbs. There are 30 playlists, 1000 nouns, (1,000 stories), I don't know why it's so hard. Yeah, okay. And 1000 topics. Oh, and 1000 prayers. So I had those also as cards. That is my big binder. Yeah, I can't even take it out of there. It's so big. Let me open that. It's incredible. I have so many planning systems now, and I can't complete my tasks because I'm doing so much else. So this is the binder, and I love it. So it's what I showed you, but instead of the sheets, I have cards. So I can either use those checklists or the cards. And I'm not even sure which one I like more. This is a bit more complicated because I have to take them out and then mark the completed task and then put it back. But it's cuter. And this is 4 different binders. And this is one. Just one binder with my tasks. And then here I really wanted to change this middle part, which tells me all the steps that are already in there. So I wanted to take out all the cards that are in the binder already and then write one card which only says frogs. This will be the frogs. So then I will have my morning routine, then the frogs, and then the evening routine. So in the morning routine is latte, eat sugar-free, put photos into my hiking guide, upload one reel on Instagram, then walk, and while walking record some shorts, which I then have to upload. No, this is uploading. Yeah, I thought so. There was something wrong. So still in the bakery, I will upload some shorts and then I will go walking. And then back in the car, I will do some links and text in my hiking guide. Then Skillshare, one video, and then I will program something in SwiftUI. But programming is also here. So that's already a task that belongs. Yeah, and also the shorts. So I have to take out the shorts completely. Then walking. And why is the hiking guide still not a project? Yeah, it's because in the hiking guide this one is the first one in all 6 languages, whereas the one I do in the morning is the German one, and it's much more than... I will never catch up without a bigger team. But as long as I don't have a bigger team, I will do my 2 online magazines in German, and so photos hiking guide and links and text hiking guide is only for the German magazine. And then Skillshare. And then this is the end of the morning routine. So, oh, and uploads. Well, uploads is also the bathing videos, so that's extra. But then, that's all the project tasks, which I don't have to have double. I just have to have them in the project folder. And then I have to use the project folder. So no extra cards here. I don't want anything double. Because it's just confusing. Then where do I look? Where do I mark what I completed? I can't complete. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. I can't mark anything as completed here, because those are recurring tasks. Oh, the mails is already in the evening. So let me think, because the GoPro is also in the evening and the shorts, but it's the last points, not the last points, but there are some points that I can only do in the evening. Let me check those. Okay, this is the evening routine. And then here starts weekly. So this is the last of the morning routine. And I will start the evening routine here. So mails is something I will do first, because I still need internet for that. I don't know where to put things. Okay, and then this is the next step in the evening routine. Bathing. Meditation. Journaling, reading, and sleeping. So, evening routine, and then comes the weekly routines. I can put them in a different order, because this is also Monday. I can put Monday and other way around. It's also a Monday. Then comes a Tuesday, and Wednesday will be here. Hair. Turkey. And Saturday is laundromat. And those are the monthly. Okay. So I will still put some markers here. These are dailies. I'll just put a D for daily. And then here, morning. And then I already do some of those daily, but it's still a bit hard, so I have to repeat those a lot of times until it's a real habit. These are also daily. Walking. And then this one is after the walk, but in the car, because I have to do it on the MacBook. And this means at least 2 days of links and text in the hiking guide, which is old. It's already old. Nobody bought it, so I didn't have to hurry, but I want to complete it. Then after that I will learn. I always thought this was better in the evening, but it's not. And then uploads I have to do in the morning, because then I have internet, and in the evening I don't, because I go to a quiet place in the woods, and here in the forest the internet is bad. So Skillshare and uploads. And then this is the evening routine. I'll take another color. Did I take blue already? Yes, blue I did. Let me take orange. So this is daily and evening. So before I go to the parking lot, I will read my emails, because I need internet for that. And then the bathing is in the evening. At the moment, there are always people at the river when I'm coming home, let's say. So normally I can't do bathing, I will do showering. But I can still do a meditation after showering. And then journaling, reading, sleeping. Daily, evening. So this is done. So this is now the structure. Morning routine, evening routine, weekly tasks, monthly tasks, yearly tasks, and one-off tasks. Good, so that's that. And the frog comes here. After the morning routine comes the frog. So I need a frog card. I had one already, but I don't know where it is. Maybe it's one of those. I'm not sure. So many tasks. Meditation, bathing. Those are the lives that changed a bit. Nails. Frogs, here it is. I somehow knew it was in there, and I somehow knew it would be last of all the cards. I can still reuse them, so I will put them in my middle box or console or whatever. So the frogs is something I will do daily, and like I will begin in the morning, and then it will take me hours and hours and hours until the evening. And I may only do some one-off tasks in between and like lessons. So, morning routine, then the frogs, which is then this folder. And after the frogs in the evening begins the evening routine. And the weekly ones I will do as a break in the middle of the frogs. So maybe I do 1 hour frogs and then a weekly task, or sometimes those have special times as well. Like the live is at 5:30. The others don't have times. No. Also the monthly. I just have to check in the morning if there's any weekly or monthly tasks that I have to do. And then I will write them down on this sheet, where I just put things that I need to know this day or now or something. I'm always breaking the what is it? Tripod. The tripod. So I don't like this list, but this list gives me an overview of what I have to film and edit next on my other channels. my channel is about living in my car. These are the videos where I speak myself. And these, I don't want to use this, but I have to, because it's not so easy to see in Canva what I've done and what not. I can store the presentations on the MacBook. Those are the lives for August. Yeah, it's only 3 lists. It's not that bad. And on this, I will write down what's next or what's today, what's not in my small binder or in the big one. So if it's not in this one, I know that this one, or I need to take some notes for something. Like, for example, today I started the dogs for hiking guide. And it's Lake Amma, number 1. And I did all of them except the Russian one. So I will write down the Russian one. And I didn't see... Yeah, I couldn't schedule the videos on YouTube in the evening because I didn't have internet here. And then I still have to schedule the 365 steps lives for the 4th week of August in all 6 languages. And it's very urgent that I make a bathing video. Those are 5 bathing videos edited together. And then I have to continue for my German channel the editing of 3 videos per week. And I want to edit for Polyglot, Park It Where You Love It, 3 Plan With Me videos. And then I want to film the Nomad VW Passat in Italian and Russian. So this is like a next to-do list, which is apart from the task cards and those lists. Yeah, I know it's a lot, and you could say, yeah, then just do it. Yeah, but I always lose, I lose track of what I wanted to do. I lose the thread. I lose the overview. So that's why I need those possibilities to track everything. They are huge projects, and I have to know what I have to do next. I know there's also like scripting the next episodes for the next series for my teachers, but I always do that. I never have nothing for my teachers to correct. That's okay. So how do you plan your projects? Tell me in the comments. And which kind of projects do you have? I'm very interested in that. And I wish you a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And if it's evening, then a good night. Bye bye.